Gonna cover this wreath in this yarn and make me something pretty. I'm getting there. I'm just wrapping it around and hot gluing it ever so often. Now there's that part. I think it looks good. Now I'm gonna add some stuff to it. Got some flowers on there. Now I'm gonna add my little love thing and figure out how to hang it. And this is how it turned out. Simple but cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna make me a little hanging love sign. I'm gonna use some MDF blocks I cut out, these papers, and some ribbons. I painted 3 of the blocks and I left one this way. I'm trying to see what the difference is when I decoupage my papers onto it. Changed my mind and just using the glue stick to do these this time. Got all my little blocks done. Got the paper decoupaged, or glued, sorry. Did a little distressing around the edges. Now I'm going to put my letters on. I'm going to probably write them, which is not going to be pretty, but that's what I'm going to do. Used my Posca pen to draw letters. Now I'm going to use the bigger one to color them in. And got the letters painted on. I'm going to hot glue this on for the O instead of painting the letter. I'm going to use this ribbon to put on the back of it to make it where it will hang. And here it is. I think it turned out cute. I didn't do too bad on my writing. Everything almost centered. Thank y'all for watching. Got another really easy one. I found this at Hobby Lobby on sale for 75% off. And I'm just gonna jazz it up with some little roses. And that's how it turned out. Really easy DIY, and I think it looks cute. Thank you for watching. Gonna use one of the Dollar Tree wreath forms and some flowers, I think, and make a Valentine's wreath. First, I'm gonna glue some of this around the form. Hot gluing flowers around the wreath. I'm going to paint this and add it to the top of the wreath. And this is what I ended up with. I think it turned out cute. Thank y'all for watching. Another wreath. Going to cover this one with this pink ribbon. I ran out of ribbon, so now I'm going to have to figure something else out. Adding some flowers to it. And that's what I got so far. And here it is. This is not my favorite wreath I've ever made. But oh well, I got it done anyway. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna make my brother a Valentine sign. I'm gonna use this heart, this paper, and that love word, and I don't know what else. Just gonna trace the heart onto the paper and cut it out. Got the paper glued on, and I cut around the edges. Now I'm gonna sand it a little bit. Gonna paint the love sign this crimson red from Waverly. I'm gonna hot glue my painted love sign to the heart. I'm going to try to squish this together and hot glue it because it looks sort of like a bow, and then put it on the side. That's what I got so far. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hang it. Okay, this is how it turned out. And I showed it to my brother and he likes it. So, yay! Thank y'all for watching. This is gonna be a simple one. Got this heart that my husband helped me make years ago, what I've been saving to do something with. Some of my funky ribbon and some little beads. Decided to add this little rose on it too. And that's how it turned out. Really easy, but I think it's cute. I'm gonna be keeping this one. I found this at Dollar Tree, and I try to make it look sort of like a heart. And I'm gonna use flowers and a little love sign. I'm gonna paint it with antique wax. And that's what it looks like with the antique wax. I thought it'd be easier to glue the roses together, then glue them onto the wreath. Use some jute cord to cover up where the thing went together, and I'm going to use some of it to hang it. And that's how this one turned out. Thank y'all for watching.